Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to check real-time network speed or how to activate it. And friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, just click on the search bar and search for the real. Okay, just click real time network speed, click on it, and if you want to off you just click on this icon, and if you want to on again you just click on this icon. It will be activate. May I activate from before only, and if you want to off just click on this icon. Okay, I just turn on it, and this is the battery percentage. When I off you are the battery percentage has been hidden already from on this status bar, and if you want to on again you just turn on and it will be the battery percentage will be show. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.